Now we are going to style our splash screen. And now we are going to style our splash screen. So in the design, as you might have seen in the demo, we have got a image, and after that we have got a set of instructions, and below that we have a start button. So we are going to design that in a similar way. So let me remove all this and let us code from scratch. So the very first thing that I'm gonna need is image from React Native itself, and to this we're going to pass a prop called source, and we're going to use the require method. We asset slash images slash splash dot jpg. Okay, still the image is not visible, reason being we need to add some styling to it. So style would be like this, and we can use a style method from this package that we have installed. Okay, and inside this we'll write the style, and we are using it in this way because we need to use a React Native object as well, because we need to apply the aspect ratio. So that's why we are using this function so that we can use both stylings. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a height of 6, and as I said, we need to give it a aspect ratio. Okay, so now this what this aspect ratio is, it basically aspect ratio 1 keeps the width and height equal. Okay, so it is the ratio of the width and height. So currently I want that the height and width should be of same ratio, so I have given it 1. And now what we need to do is, yeah, we need to add flex 1 over here as well. And also guys, if you are using the same image, then you will see that the background of the screen is different because the background of image is white. So for that, what you need to do is head over to app navigator, and over here in the navigator you can add a screen options and set the content style and the background color to be white. Okay, this I have added, but I forgot to show it. So this is the thing that you can do if you think that the background color is different and the image color is different. So I have made the background color of the screen as white also. And yeah, back to the splash screen. Now what we need to do is, yeah, so our image is looking perfectly fine. Now what we need to do is we need to add the instruction for set instruction. So first we are going to add the label. Let us make it a bit larger to Excel. It seems fine, and let me center it. Yeah, perfect. And other than this, let me make the font size of a little smaller. And now we need a instruction box. So view text. So okay guys, I had basically copy pasted the set of instructions. Okay, and now we are going to use this. So the very first one is this one, and also you can use the map method of JavaScript in order to iterate over the instructions set, but currently I'm using text component 3 times instead of rendering it. Okay, so now another one. Okay, and now we don't need this. Yeah, so now we have our set of instructions, and now let's style them. Again, we're going to use a TW, and first I'm going to give it a background of purple. Yes, and the text color should be white. Also, it should be a little larger, the text lg, and let us copy paste the same over here. Okay, yeah, and now we need some padding from over here. So first let me center things. Yeah, perfect. And justify not center, I would use around. Yeah, it seems fine now. And let us continue styling the instructions box. I want it to be rounded, and this there is too much spacing between the instruction, and okay, this is because of this justify round. Let us just remove it. Okay, and below the instructions I want a padding of 10 maybe. Yeah, it seems fine now. And also let us give some height and width to the instruction set, and yeah, center and justify. Yeah, now this seems fine. And yeah, that's it for this section. Now let us add the start button. For that I'm going to use the pressable. Now let us start styling our pressable. Again, we're going to use TW from the package installed, and first I'm going to give it a background of same purple color, some margin from top and 10, yeah, and some padding, text color should be white, and let us increase the font size as well. Let us remove the padding, can give it padding of here, and p by 2v1. Yeah, p4 seems fine. Okay, or maybe you can increase it a little. Yeah, this seems fine. Okay, so everything looks fine. We have added the image, we have added the instructions label, our instructions, three instructions are also at place, and we have this start button. Okay, you can definitely try pushing down the position of this button, but seems fine to me. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to navigate it to the quiz question screen. So on the start button, on this presswell prop, we have a prop called on press, and we are going to navigation dot navigate, and it has to be name of the screen question. Now those of you who don't know what is navigation dot navigate, so whenever we register any screen inside the basically this stack navigator, we get access to this navigation pro. Okay, this navigation pro, and I have destructured it directly over here, and now I'm using this navigation prop in order to navigate it. So this navigation object gives us a method called navigate. So, and inside this we can pass the screen name that we want to navigate to. So in our case we want to navigate to the question. So now let us see if it is navigating or not. Okay, it throw an error, navigate. Okay, spelling mistake, navigate. Let us try again. Yeah, it is perfectly navigating to the question screen. So now what we are going to do is we are going to implement the questions screen. We are going to design the question screen. We are going to load the questions, and we are going to show the question and the options for it. So now let us work on that.